Hello everyone, I am Amrita from Team Healthy Appa. Today I am sharing with you all a super delicious and healthy moong khichdi recipe. It is loaded with nutrients and will keep you fuller for a long time. You can have it for your breakfast, lunch or even for dinner. I prefer to eat it for my breakfast. To make the moong khichdi, you need half cup or 50 grams of moong. 50 gram green moong beans has around 170 calories. Moong is a great source of protein, especially for vegetarians. It has 12 grams of protein and around 8 grams of fiber. It is also packed with nutrients like folate, manganese, iron, vitamin B1, etc. It is also rich in many amino acids and antioxidants. 2 teaspoons of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of methi seeds has around 27 calories. It has 2.1 gram of protein and 3.9 grams of fiber. Fenugreek seeds have great medicinal value. It helps in lowering blood sugar level, cholesterol level and inflammation. It also helps to control your appetite. Fenugreek seeds are also beneficial for your hair and skin. 2 spoons of dalia has around 16 to 18 calories. It is also called broken or cracked wheat or lapsi. Carbs content in it helps you to feel fuller for a longer time. It is a good source of iron, magnesium, vitamin B1, potassium, etc. Dalia contains outer bran which makes it an excellent source of dietary fiber and thus aid in weight loss and maintaining proper weight. Half teaspoon of rye or black mustard seeds. Black mustard seeds are loaded with vitamins and minerals. They are also good for our skin. Half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are well known for fat reduction and weight loss. It contains antioxidants and has an anti-inflammatory effect. Curry leaves or curry patta are rich in vitamin A, B, C and B2. It is a good source of iron and calcium. It aids in weight loss. It is good for diabetes, hair growth, etc. 2 spoons of coconut oil. I highly prefer using coconut oil over refined vegetable oils that we get in the market. Coconut oil offers numerous health benefits and gives an amazing aroma and taste. 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is a superfood which has incredible nutritional properties. Ghee consists of fat-soluble vitamins which aids weight loss. It also helps in maintaining cholesterol and contains fair amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Lastly, you need 1 small green chili finely chopped, 4 cups of water, salt according to your taste. Add moong beans, methi seeds and dalia to a bowl. Add 2 cups of water to it. Let it soak overnight or for 3 to 4 hours. Rinse the soaked ingredients well and strain the water. Add the soaked ingredients into a saucepan or a kadai. Add 2 cups of water to it. Once it starts to boil, add salt according to your taste and stir it well. Reduce the flame to medium and let it cook until the ingredients are nicely cooked. For tadka, take a tadka pan. Once heated, add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Add jeera, rye, chopped chilies and curry leaves to it. Pour the tadka over the cooked moong khichdi and stir it. Your healthy and tasty moong khichdi is ready. Serve this hot khichdi to a plate or a bowl. Add 1 spoon of ghee on top. You can enjoy this khichdi with pickle, chutney or any side dish of your choice.